This will all make sense when I am older. Hey guys, it's Jazzy, and today we're turning into everybody's favorite snowman, Olaf. Yes, I'm so excited. It's one of our first holiday cosplays. So, I have a serious question for you. Do you want to build a snowman? Hello, new friends, and welcome back, Colorful Babe Gang. Today we are doing an Olaf cosplay, but before we get started, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you care so that you never miss another Cosplay Makeup Monday. So today's look is going to be inspired by Anne Ate My Brush from Instagram. I think I said her name right. We're going to post her picture over there. So yeah, I love her Olaf look. I love that it's half one, half like the other. So we're going to use her as our inspiration today, but we're going to put my own little spin on it. So first I'm just going to put primer all over my face, and then I'm going to put foundation just on the top of my face. Alright, so we're gonna, now that we have the top part of our face all done, so I did my eyebrows, foundation, and concealer. We're going to do the little drips she has on her face. We're gonna outline it first with a white pencil and before we go in with the face paint, so we can make sure that the drips are where we want them to be, because this is easier to erase. Alright, now that our face is completely outlined, we're going to go in with some white face paint. For face paint, I'm just going to be using the Arteza face paint palette. I believe it's still on Amazon. I will link it below if it is, because my sister uses this one. It's amazing. We love this palette. Okay, so now that we're completely white, we're going to promenade those areas that we made the little loops at with some brown and orange face paint. So now we're going to take a tinier brush and we're going to use our foundation, and we're just going to thin out that line a little bit. I made it too thick. Alright, and then finally we're going to go in with a little bit of black face paint on a very tiny brush. All the brushes I use for my face paint, I've probably either bought at Walmart or at Dollar Tree. Alright, we're done. Now it's time to do the eyes. So in the picture, she's got really blue eyes, so we're gonna try to do a blue eye look with the Elsa palette from ColourPop, my cosplay palette, because I've got some nice blues in there too. Starting out, I'm gonna put this color Fire on my crease. Then after Fire, I'm gonna go in with Awakened. I'm gonna go in with this blue color. Right there. Put that right underneath those two colors. Yeah. I'm excited for this look. Olaf is my favorite. I love him. He's probably one of my favorite Disney sidekicks, not gonna lie. Sorry, Flounder. Sorry, Mushu. Olaf's words that the only one that might come close to him is either Pascal from Rapunzel or Cricky from Mulan. I love Cricky. He's hilarious. I'm gonna take this color Water. In her look, she has a lot of rich blues, so my eye color is gonna be a little bit different than hers because I just want to experiment and have fun. So now I'm gonna take ice crystals and put it in the middle. We're gonna take the color Flurry, which is this beautiful pressed glitter, and we're gonna put it on top. We're going to take a blue liquid liner. I'm using the ColourPop blue liner, and we're going to take a white liquid liner, also the ColourPop white liner. We're going to do the blue liner first, and you're going to line your eyes like normal. Alright, now that your eyes are lined with the blue, we're going to take the white and we're going to make little snowflake freckles all over our face. Okay, so now we're going to take some orange eyeshadow and go on top of it to give it a little bit more color. And take a smaller brush and go on with some red eyeshadow to add some depth to those shadows we made. Going into yellow to add some highlights to our nose. All right, now it's time to do our lips. While we're doing our lips, why don't you tell me what is something that you're looking forward to this holiday season? I'm looking forward to Christmas in Miami again. I don't know if you guys saw my vlog from last year, but I spend Christmas in Miami because that is where my family has chosen to move to. So for the lips, we're just going to take a black lipstick and color them in like normal. We're gonna take our tiny brush again and our black face paint. We're gonna just draw a line. So now we have both sides. This side's a little bit better than that side, but hey, mistakes happen and I just will take the picture from my good side. Don't be frustrated if you make mistakes. If you're new to face paint, I've only been doing face paint for about 2 or 3 years and it takes a lot longer to get really great at it. So don't be frustrated if this is your first time and it's not even looking remotely like mine or remotely good at all, because the more you practice, the better you get. Draw our little circles. Now that you've painted those on, you're going to take a tiny brush like this and some black eyeshadow. All right, in her picture, she has like a little black line up here, so we're gonna take a little bit of it and do a black line up there and just lightly some carrot lines, smooth them out. Very not super noticeable, just like very simple carrot lines. So now that our lips are done, we're gonna grab our body glitter. I'm gonna be using this glitter that came in the Elsa collection. I believe that it's called the Dark Sea. I can't really see it anymore as it's my favorite glitter and I use it a lot, but we're going to put that on our chest. All right, now I just have to put on the wig and we're done. Oh, and lashes. If you thought this look was fun, wait until next week when we do a Nightmare Before Christmas themed makeup look, which will be even more fun. Can't wait to see you there. Thanks for joining us for this Cosplay Makeup Monday. We're on the road to 1K. Hopefully we get there soon. I'm super excited. Make sure you check us out on Instagram and TikTok so you can see the fun pictures from this look. All right, see you guys next time.